Hello student, good morning to all of you. Today we are taking some numerical based on the error analysis in the unit first. And this is the last video for this unit first, physical world and unit and measurement. So we have some problems related to the error analysis. In the first problem which we solved at solution number problem 2. Okay students, in the first problem the length and breadth of a rectangular field are 25.2 plus minus 0.5 meter and 18.6 plus minus 0.8 meter. Find area and area of field within the limits of errors. Also give the percentage error in the area. This we need to calculate for this question. So student, first we remind this. हमारे पास जो मेजरमेंट होता है, सपोज वी हैव द मेजरमेंट ऑफ लेंथ. In this measurement of length, in the error analysis we can write it is as L plus minus del L. In this, L is the measure of length. It is a measured length. And this del L is the error in measurement. It is error in measurement. Okay students, so हमें इसमें ये सब चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं from the given thing. All the questions which we are doing, these things are given. What is the measured length and what error in the measurement. ये दो चीज़ें हमें इस तरह के बॉक्स से स्टूडेंट हमें मिल जाएंगी. In the breadth we have the measured breadth is 18.6 और जब इसे मेजर किया तो ये इसमें एक एरर मिली. Similarly, in the measurement of length to 25.2 plus minus this. So this is the measured length and this is the error in the measurement. Okay. Now student, we are discussing the next thing which we need to show. We all know the area of field is length into breadth. Okay, and it is the multiplication error. So this is to we use for the area, and for error in area we have the result that del A upon A equal to plus minus del L upon L plus del B upon B. ये एक फॉर्मूला हम यूज करते हैं फॉर द एरर इन एरिया. देन स्टूडेंट, वी हैव नेक्स्ट we need to calculate the error. So error is del A, मतलब error in area is del A. This whole result we multiply with A and this value, that is plus minus del L upon L and plus del B upon B, this thing. This is the error in area, and next we have to calculate the percentage error in area. So student, percentage error एरर, इसको हम दिखाते हैं P एरर. इट इज द रिलेटिव एरर ऑफ एरर इन मेजरमेंट del A upon A, and this is multiply by 100. This is how we solve the question based on the error analysis. This is first we understood about the solution method. Okay student, now we are going to solve the conditions. So first we need to calculate here area, and area is L into B. Okay, and student we have L. Okay, now what is given in the question? We have given that length is 25.2 plus minus 0.5 meter. This is capital L for length, and we have breadth. So student, from here what we have, small l we have 25.2 meter, and del L we have 0.5 meter. ये वैल्यूज तो हमें मिल गई हैं फॉर द एरिया. एंड नेक्स्ट फॉर द ब्रेथ, कैपिटल B इज गिवन एज 18.6 प्लस माइनस 0.8 मीटर. फ्रॉम हियर वी गेट स्मॉल b विच इज 18.6 मीटर, एंड error in measurement of breadth is 0.8 meter. These are we have in the solution. Now students, we calculate first area. For calculation of area, we have L into B, and this L into B is 25.2 into 18.6. It is in meter square. So student, first we calculate it. Okay student, when we multiply this, we get the result. Area is equal to 468.72 meter square. This is the area. Now we need to calculate the measurement in error in area. So we have students, del A is equal to plus minus area into del L upon L plus del B upon B, this formula. Okay, now we put all the values and solve it. So we get plus minus, this A is 468.72, and inside the bracket this is 0.5 upon 25.2 plus 0.8 upon 18.6. Okay, now we solve it first till you copy this. This we have student 0.19 and plus this we have 0.043. So student, this we get del A is equal to 29.06. This is meter square. This is error in measurement of area. Okay. Then area with or within error limit. Error limits. Student, we have area with error limit E बेस में हमने लिखा है E, that is A प्लस, ओके हम इसको लिख लेते हैं एरिया, A प्लस माइनस डेल A. So student, we have this result is equal to 468.72 A plus del A, that is 468.72 plus minus 29.06 meter square. This is the solution of first question. So first copy this. Next student, we need to calculate here the percentage error in area. Here student, also note that this sum is we have 0.062. Okay, this will we do after this. Okay, now here percentage error in area, this is given by del A upon A into 100%. Now student, we have this result is 0.062 and into we have 100%. So this we get 6.0 6.0 2%. This is the percentage error in the area. ये कहाँ से आया है स्टूडेंट? सो स्टूडेंट वी हैव this from this value. Del A upon A is equal to plus minus we have from this relation. इसे हम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट कह देते हैं. तो दिस इज फ्रॉम फर्स्ट. ओके, सो ये हमने सॉल्व करके यहाँ पे लिखा है 0.019 एंड प्लस 0.043. When we solve this we get del A upon A plus minus plus minus 0.062. ओके, ये हमारे पास आता है और when we solve this so we get this result. So copy this all. Okay student, now we have the next problem. For a simple pendulum of length 50 centimeter plus minus 0.1 centimeter, the time period for 100 oscillation is found to be 50 seconds when observed using a stopwatch having resolution of 1 second. Find the accuracy in determination of G. Now first we take what is given in this question. Solution number 1, we have given that length of string of pendulum, that is 50 plus minus 0.1 सेंटीमीटर, ये हम लिख सकते हैं स्टूडेंट. सो फ्रॉम हियर वी हैव L is equal to 50 सेंटीमीटर एंड del L is equal to 0.1 सेंटीमीटर. ये तो हमारे पास लेंथ के लिए है स्टूडेंट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीलेशन. नंबर ऑफ oscillation is equal to 100 and time for the oscillation is, this is actually we have the frequency. Number of oscillation is frequency and time for it is 50 second. Therefore we count the time for one oscillation. Okay student, now we have a time period for 100 oscillation is found to be 50 seconds. That is 100 oscillation is equal to 50 seconds. Therefore time is equal to number of one oscillation 50 second upon 100. Now del t उसने हमें बताया है कि 1 सेकेंड उसका रिजोल्यूशन है, डेट इज 1 second upon 100. Therefore we calculate here del t upon t, error in time, that is del t हमारे पास है स्टूडेंट 1 second upon 100 and into we can put it as 100 upon 50 seconds. So it will be cancelled by this and we get del t upon t is equal to 1 upon 50. This we have first which is given. Now हमें g में एक्यूरेसी निकालनी है, therefore we know that time period of oscillation is 2 pi under root L upon g. On squaring both sides, student, we get t square is equal to 4 pi square L upon g. We need to calculate this g. Therefore, student, we have g is equal to 4 pi square L upon t square. It is clear? Now, student, this is constant term. So, on solving the constant value or numerical value, there is no error. Error we have only in the physical quantity, that is length and time measurement. So, we are solving only for this. So, error in g, which is we call del g upon g, it is given by only using k L upon g. Okay, so we have L upon t square. So we solve it by this plus minus del L upon L and plus 2 del t upon t. ये हमने आपको पहले भी बताया है स्टूडेंट इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स. That is, जब हमारे पास when we have, suppose we have the density is a square, any physical relation और a quantity which is given by a square c. तो हम इसको जब एरर निकालेंगे, इसकी del q अपॉन q निकालना चाहेंगे, तो हम इसे स्टूडेंट डायरेक्टली ऐसे लिखते हैं. इस 2 को हम आगे कर लेंगे एंड एरर इन a और अपॉन a एंड प्लस माइनस एरर इन c अपॉन c. दिस इज द मेथड विच वी यूज्ड हियर. तो ये एक नोट पोर्शन आपके लिए हम यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं. दिस इज अ नोट. इसके बेसिस पे हमारे पास ये हो जाएगा. वी आर यूजिंग t इन द न्यूमिनेटर एंड वी आर यूजिंग हियर प्लस बिकॉज प्लस माइनस साइन हमने ऑलरेडी बाहर रखा हुआ है. नाउ ऑन पुटिंग ऑल दीज वैल्यू, del g upon g is plus minus del L student. Del L we have 0.1 upon 50 and plus del t upon t, that we have 1 upon 50. Into 1 upon 50. So this we have final plus minus 50 as common 1.1. okay, now on solving this we get plus minus ओके स्टूडेंट. नाउ वी डिवाइड दिस. देखिए ये हमने 2 मल्टीप्लाई करना है. फर्स्ट वी सॉल्व दिस, थोड़ा सा आपको एरर ना हो. दैट इज, इसको ही सॉल्व कर लीजिए स्टूडेंट. सो वी गेट 0 1/5. ये हमने सॉल्व कर लिया. नाउ वी हैव 0.2 अपॉन 5. क्लियर. Now on solving we get 0.0 0.002 and plus 0.04. So we get, student, plus minus 0.042 error in G. Okay, now we need to calculate the percentages. Therefore, percentage error del G and G percentage is equal to plus minus 0.042 into 100%. So we get it is plus minus 4.2% is error in calculation of G. So student, copy all these. This is I am solving you for the condition for basic calculation. Now we take next problem. We have, students, solution number 3rd. In this we have the potential difference across the ends of conductor is 8 plus minus 0.1 volt and the current through it is 5 plus minus 0.2 ampere. Find the resistance and power extent between the ends within error limit. Okay, this we have to calculate here. Now student, we have given first potential, which is 8 plus minus 0.1 volt, and second we have the current, that is 5 plus minus 0.2 ampere. Now student, we have here V is equal to 8 volt and del V is equal to 0.1 volt, and next I is equal to 5 ampere and del I is equal to 0.2 ampere. This we have. Next students, resistance of conductor is VI and error in resistance is del R is equal to plus minus R okay del V upon V plus del I upon I. This is the formula for the resistance. 1 minute. V upon I, this is resistance. Okay, next student we have for power. पावर के लिए हम सॉल्व करेंगे. पावर वी हैव V into I and error in power del P upon P is plus minus del V upon I and plus del V upon V and plus del I upon I. ये हमारे पास सॉल्यूशन फॉर्मूलाज हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट वी कैलकुलेट रेजिस्टेंस. रेजिस्टेंस R is equal to V. V we have student 8 volt and I we have 5. So this result we have 1.6 ohm. This is value for resistance 1.6 ohm. Okay, now we calculate this error. Del R upon R is equal to plus minus del V. Del V we have 0.1 upon 8 and plus del I. Del I is 0.2 upon 5. Okay, now we solve this. Plus minus, when we solve this we get 0. This will become 1. Now we take another point, that is 0, and now it will become 10. So 1, 2, 5 and plus minus and plus, when we solve this, so we get point 0, point 2 0, 4. Therefore we have del R upon R is equal to plus minus 0.04125. Okay, now we calculate error in resistance or del R, which is plus minus 0.4125 into R, that is plus minus 0.04125 into 1.6. Okay. Okay students, एक कैलकुलेशन एरर है. When we divide 0.1 by 8 we get the result is 0.0125 and plus this. On solving this we get the result is 0.0525. Now so on solving all these value we get the value of del R is this. Therefore resistance of conductor with error limit, this we have 1.6 plus minus 0.084 ohm. This is our first result. Next we have to calculate the percentage error, that is percentage error in R is this result we have this plus minus 0.0525 into 100. So we get the result is percentage error in resistance by this calculation is plus minus 5.25%. This is the calculation of resistance. Now we calculate for the power. So student, we have P is equal to 8 for voltage and I is 5. Therefore we get 40 watt. This is the power output. Now error in percentage, error in power, that is plus minus del V. Del V we have 0.1 upon 8 and plus del I we have 0.2 upon 5. So student, on solving this we get the result as same is we solve this. That result is 0.0125 plus 0.04. On solving we get plus minus 0.0525. Okay, del P upon P is plus minus 0.0525. Okay, now value of error in P. First we calculate the percentage error in P. तो percentage error in P student हमें मिल जाएगा plus minus 0.0525 into 100%. That we get plus minus 5.25% is error in power as percent. Now del P is equal to plus minus 0.0525 into P, and this we have plus minus 0.0525 into 40. Okay, now student we have plus minus 0.525 into 4. So this del P we get 0 4 5 ja 20, carry 2 0 and 4 2 ja 8 plus 2 0, carry 1, 4 5 ja 20 and 1 is 21, that is 2.1. Therefore del P is equal to plus minus 2.1 watt. Now therefore power is equal to P plus minus del P, which we have 40 plus minus 2.1 watt. This is the final answer for this question. So student, copy all these. Thank you.